fact, let's actually pull that up on CoinGecko so you get um, a longer chart. Looks like it's moving, but let's see. It's hard to say with some of these. I mean, the chart looks awful long term. I mean, just terrible, but it is super, super low compared to where it used to be. Yeah, I mean, the idea when I first recommended it way back was that I like using VPNs. And the idea of a decentralized VPN is a great idea. It really is, because the way a VPN works is, you can mask your traffic from your internet service provider or your company or whatever in websites, but the VPN provider still knows everything you're doing, right? It's just you're trading the end user knowing all your stuff to the VPN user knowing all your stuff. And a lot of these companies run logs. So the idea long term was like, it would be great to have a decentralized VPN, right? That just isn't capable of that. But it looks like the market has disagreed with that. And no one has been really willing to move over en masse, probably because it's more complicated than just, paying whatever monthly to a VPN company and hitting the button. So maybe this comes back, but I don't know. It's always tricky to say. I mean, it's certainly down big time. But who knows? It's probably a super small cap at this point. Yeah.